Protesters blocked a road at various stretch of Imphal Sangaitil route in support of total shutdown in Manipur following Tronglaobi bomb attack incident. People spread out wood, burning tires and other heavy objects to block road at Kachikul Karong area, Salam Thongkung and Patsoi Part 4. Protesters raised their voices against the killing of innocent civilians in Tronglaobi and demanded justice. Similar protest was also held by Merapaibi members at Yurimbam Awang Mamanglikay.
Karong kaskun sangai ten apun mai bejing koi using the pulaga Tronglaobi da oji anga isa ani leita bajiga loina na koi gi misam hom hat ki bodo adu dugi amasung koi nagai sinau jing misam ani hat ki dugi matung ina koi nungai ta bokong to koi na koi ngasi sijuk sidai da mayam na tok jeri pa na sila koi saru ga jabani har mata